Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 7th, 2024, and we're diving into Fortinet's latest earnings report for the third quarter of 2024. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Fortinet, a leader in cybersecurity, has just released its Q3 2024 financial results, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue growth to strategic initiatives in unified SaaS and security operations.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Fortinet reported a total revenue of $1.51 billion for Q3 2024, marking a 13% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Fortinet's revenue growth is primarily driven by a 19% increase in service revenue, reaching $1.03 billion. This indicates strong demand for their cybersecurity services. Additionally, the company achieved a record GAAP operating margin of 31.2% and a non-GAAP operating margin of 36.1%, reflecting their operational efficiency and cost management.
That's impressive. How does this compare to their previous performance?
Compared to the same quarter last year, Fortinet's GAAP operating income increased significantly from $303.2 million to $470.9 million, showcasing their ability to scale profitably.
Strategic initiatives and market position. Fortinet has been focusing on unified SaaS and security operations. How are these areas contributing to their market position?
Fortinet's strategic investments in unified SaaS and security operations are paying off, with strong billings growth in these segments. The company is gaining market share in secure networking, thanks to their integrated product offerings like FortiOS and FortiASIC, which are well regarded in the industry.
And what about their product and service revenue?
Product revenue saw a modest increase to $473.9 million, while service revenue surged to $1.03 billion. This shift highlights Fortinet's successful transition towards a service-oriented business model, which is crucial in the cybersecurity landscape.
Financial health and shareholder returns. And let's talk about Fortinet's financial health. They reported a cash flow from operations of $608 million and a free cash flow of $572 million. What does this tell us about their financial stability?
These figures indicate robust financial health, providing Fortinet with the flexibility to invest in growth opportunities and return value to shareholders. The company also increased its share repurchase authorization by $1 billion, with $2 billion remaining, signaling confidence in their future prospects.
And how did they perform in terms of net income?
Fortinet's GAAP net income for the quarter was $539.9 million, a substantial increase from $322.9 million in the same quarter last year. This growth in net income underscores their strong operational performance and effective cost management.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, what guidance has Fortinet provided for the upcoming quarter and the full fiscal year?
For Q4 2024, Fortinet expects revenue between $1.56 billion and $1.62 billion, with billings ranging from $1.9 billion to $2.0 billion. For the full fiscal year, they anticipate revenue between $5.856 billion and $5.916 billion, with a non-GAAP operating margin of 32.9% to 33.9%. This guidance reflects their confidence in sustaining growth and profitability.
What are the key factors that could influence these projections?
Fortinet's future performance will depend on their ability to capitalize on market opportunities in cybersecurity, manage competitive pressures, and navigate macroeconomic challenges. Their strong product portfolio and strategic focus on high-growth areas position them well to achieve these targets.
Key takeaways. In summary, Fortinet has delivered a strong performance in Q3 2024 with impressive revenue growth and profitability. Their strategic initiatives and financial health position them well for future success. John, any final thoughts on Fortinet as an investment prospect?
Fortinet's robust financials, strategic market positioning, and shareholder-friendly actions like share buybacks make it an attractive investment. However, investors should remain mindful of potential risks such as competitive pressures and macroeconomic uncertainties.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Fortinet's performance in the comments below. Until next time.